In the wide green world, made from sweat and hard work, you say there is an investment technique that will let us kill two birds with one stone, giving us a chance to earn extra income with energy while farming as usual? Paru AI Solar Tracker. Build an agricultural power plant. Paru's dual-axis solar tracker boosts maximum power generation efficiency by using artificial intelligence. Let's see how it works. First, the solar sensor tracks the position of the sun in real time and sends the data to the control box. Based on the data received from the sensor, the controller adapts to the environment by adjusting how much the tracker moves. The actuator, which receives the position data through the controller, plays the role of adjusting the altitude angle according to the position of the sun. The angle can be adjusted up to 45 degrees to maximize the amount of power generated during times of abundant sunlight. The slewing drive adjusts the left and right angles of the tracker. It can be freely adjusted within the range of 0 to 270 degrees, enabling efficient power generation from sunrise to sunset. Thanks to these technical features, Paru Dual Axis Tracker boasts an excellent real-time solar tracking system. The Dual Axis Tracker has a safe mode function that minimizes the impact of natural disasters by automatically changing the angles of the modules depending on the climate. Among them, the wind mode automatically switches the module frame horizontally when there are strong winds, and the wind speed exceeds the set value for a certain period of time, thus minimizing damage. The snow mode is a safety mode that minimizes damage caused by snow by detecting heavy snowfall and forming an inclination angle to sweep snow down. Before the automatic safe mode is activated, the tracker can be centrally controlled via web or mobile devices with the integrated control solution provided by Paru. For example, if there is a lot of strong wind, the business owner can manually manage the tracker before it automatically switches to the wind mode. To make a solar power plant suitable for farming, the dual-axis tracker, not a fixed type, is the correct answer. The existing fixed type is not only inefficient because agricultural machines are difficult to move due to their large number of pillars, but also may be easily deformed upon collision with agricultural machines due to the narrow width of the pillars. On the other hand, the dual-axis tracker can reduce the area of installation by more than 8% comparing with a fixed type. Also, above all, there are no concerns of deformation or damage due to collision with the pillars, so the agricultural machinery can move freely and the harvesting speed can be increased. While the fixed-type system is vulnerable to natural disasters, the dual-axis tracker can detect and respond to environmental conditions to maximize crop growth and power generation. Among them, the shadow mode of the dual-axis tracker is a function that minimizes shadows to help crop growth by tracking the sun to face the side of the module. At sunrise and sunset, during the spring season when a lot of light is required. Unlike the fixed type, which is limited in installation depending on the direction of the farmland, the dual-axis tracker can be installed on irregular farmland regardless of the direction and shape of the site, and has the advantage of maximizing space utilization. Above all, the biggest advantage of the dual-axis tracker is that it generates 20% more power than a fixed-type tracker. With Paru's technology, 510 agricultural power plants have been created in Korea, and the technology has also entered more than 20 overseas countries, including the United States and Japan. In particular, Paru's Alamo project in the United States was an achievement that was recognized as the world's largest solar power plant with dual-axis trackers. With solar power generation, you can plant, grow, and harvest, optimized for the agricultural environment. Agricultural Solar Tracker. For your better life, Paru is creating the solar era. Better energy, better life. Paru.